Welcome back to our Blessed Performance YouTube channel. Wanted to make a quick video introducing our new Blessed Performance DIY transmission rebuild kit for your 5R110Ws. We're also going to be releasing these for the 6R140s. This kit right here is the full competition kit. This is rated for 1,000 horsepower plus in your 5R110. This is a kit that you will install. Let's make sure that so honestly, is there a warranty with that? No. Make sure that the individual parts, they have their own warranty, but that's not going to cover your labor or your build warranty. So let's make sure that we're upfront and honest with that, okay? That being said, this is the most complete kit on the market. I can tell you that right now. We have all your seals, gaskets, everything you need like that. This is an Armet, the strongest input shaft on the market. Your filters, your low reverse hub, your bushings, bearings, it's going to be all either Rebestos clutches and steel kit, my bad, with TSC billet parts across the board. So this kit is honestly awesome. We're also going to include the ATSG the manual with it, okay? So that way you can rebuild this at home. This is something that you can do at home. In the long run, we will make a video showing you how to install all of this, okay? That will come later. This is just an introduction to the product that we're offering, the kit that we've assembled, okay? There's a good need for this in the market. 5R110s are getting older. They're a wonderful transmission. They're very strong in normal fashion. That being said, if you're trying to shoot for 1,000 horsepower plus, you got to upgrade some stuff. You will break this guy, guaranteed. That as you go through the power ranges. So I had to print it off because I can't remember everything. Okay. So realistically, we have an overdrive machine piston, Rebestos clutches, 5 frictions and 5 steels for the overdrive with 2 pressure plates, 5 frictions and 5 steels for the intermediate with pressure plate. We have an extreme direct drum. 5 frictions and steels for the forward with pressure plate, 6 frictions and steels for the low reverse. It comes standard with a 300M input shaft, and we also have the option to upgrade to an Armet input shaft, which is the strongest Armet right there that you can get on the market, strongest input shaft out there. TCS billet intermediate shaft, TCS billet overdrive planetary, TCS billet low reverse hub kit, a Transtech gasket set, Durbon bushing kit, SKF bearing kit, it's in here somewhere. Of course, a filter kit, and then your ATSG transmission rebuild manual is included with it. So we have the most complete kit. It starts at $3,400, I want to say. Yes, there are some upgrades you can do. It costs a little bit more to go to the Armet versus the billet. Armet is when you're honestly trying to shoot for like 1,500 plus. The billet's going to be great to 1,000, no problem. Okay, this is the kit that the way that we rate this on the website is 700 horsepower plus. Just do it all. Honestly, don't try to do one piece and then the rest of the rebuild kit. We have 2 kits on the website. We have the Stock Plus kit, which comes with a billet input, and then a rebuild kit. And then we have the full competition, which is everything billet. Everything that you need, all billet and ready to go. You can add a Randy's valve body with it, which I highly recommend doing that. Deep pan, coolers. We got a lot of good options on the website for you to include and upgrade and make things, kind of build it how you want to build it. Of course, the clutches all come pre-packaged, pre-assembled. You open a clutch to find a problem, reach out to us immediately. Don't wait 6 months to a year and try to tell us that, that you're just opening it. We need you to open this when you get it in your hands. Maybe you're not installing it that day, but go through and make sure everything's there, okay? Go through and make sure everything's included, that we're saying is included. Make sure we got you everything. Make sure that we got the correct planetary, because you got to make sure you got the right one. And make sure that all the clutches are in good condition. And then wait and package it back up and wait until you're ready to do your rebuild. We need you to reach out to us as soon as you open this, as soon as this box shows up. I need you to open it, go through it, because it's a massive kit. This is a 3x5, 4x5 table, and it fills it all the way up. All right, so everything is here. On the website, you'll have an option to select you have 2 options for the year. We need to make sure you get the correct year. Hopefully you know what year is in your truck. Once you know it, the first one we sold, we didn't know. The gentleman had an 03 transmission, which means we had to send him a different planetary, a different intermediate, okay? But these 2 are what's different in the 03 to 04 and 05 plus 5R110s. Hopefully you know. If you don't, we'll fix it, obviously, but that's why we need you to open it up and check and make sure that you got the right stuff for your build as soon as you get this kit. These kits are powered by Randy's transmissions. Yes, they're a Blessed Performance kit. Yes, we do some things that we wanted to do, and we reached out to Randy's and teamed up with him, and this is the Blessed Performance kit that you only get on blessedperformance.com. This is a complete kit. I wanted the most inclusive thing that you could do for the 5R110, and that's why we did this. So we have, like I said, we have the The stock plus, which we're going to call that your 700 horsepower and down builds. Okay, so stock to 700 horsepower. And then we have the full billet. We just have 2 stages. You don't need 4 different stages. I just don't see the point in it, honestly. Like, what's the point if you're going to take all of this apart and you know you're never going to go over 700 horsepower? Do the stock plus. You're going to be just fine with that, okay? Add a valve body, good to go. Good torque converter, good to go. If you're just like, you know what, I don't know if I'm ever going to go over 700, but I want to do it and do it once, and that's what I personally do. When I do things, I do it all in one swing of the bat. Like, I'm not going to mess around. It costs me more money to take the dang thing apart than it does to just buy it one time and be done. Because the most valuable thing we have in life is time. So if you have to take this apart twice, I promise you're going to wish you would have just done it this way the first time. I always say it. Do it right the first time is always cheaper than doing it twice. I'm not the first person to say that. No, there's a lot of other people that have said that, okay? But that's something that I agree with 110%. So that's why I think you should do this kit if you're trying to shoot for 700 plus. Our other kit is very inclusive, comes with a lot of the same stuff. It's all laid out on the website. Everything that's on there shows everything that it comes with, and it's a great kit as well. Not going to be because it's already there, but it's a great kit. Give us a call if you've got any questions about this. 1-800-577-2698. I highly, 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 highly recommend, and it's an option because I didn't want to sticker shock people, but we're the only ones that even have as an option to include an upgraded valve body. And I highly, highly, highly recommend doing the valve body while you're doing this, because you want to make sure you have quality solenoids that are clean, fresh, and ready to go to engage all these clutches properly. Because if you don't, well, then you're still going to slip clutches, and we don't want that. Alrighty? Give us a call if you've got any questions, 1-800-577-2698. Check it out on the website, blessperformance.com. This is the Bless Performance Full Competition 5R110 Rebuild Kit, powered by Randy's Transmissions. Absolutely beautiful kit. Everything you could ever need for it. Thanks for all the support. We really appreciate it. You guys are wonderful customers, and we're excited to do this with you.